The mini Russell options are in play. I'm Angela Miles, and this week volume picked up in the minis. I'll get to that in just a moment. But first, the Russell range remains about the same. Traders are hoping that the Russell would find a bottom or a breakout situation, but so far that hasn't happened. The Russell's trading like this, just really within a range. At last check, the Russell was down about 1% for the week. Among some of the more notable trades, a March traditional 2,180 calls were purchased. Those were at the money calls at the time of the trade, someone paying $81 for the trade. Simultaneously, the June 2,180 puts were also active. A trader paid around $132 to purchase those puts. What that could mean is a trader is using options in the Russell 2000 as a surrogate to stock. This way, they gain exposure to be either short or long the Russell 2000 going forward with those options. So if the Russell goes up or down, they have exposure to the play. Here's another trade, the February 11th weeklies. On the put side, the 1,940 and 1950 puts, those puts were way out of the money. What's that about? Well, it's after the Fed, the middle of earnings season, and volatility is low. So someone could be taking advantage of those low options prices, low vol, to take out some insurance on the Russell. The RVX, which measures implied volatility, also known as option prices, is on the lower end of the range this week. The straddle for Friday into expiration day, looking for about a move of 1.3% up or down. The next Friday, projecting about a 2.6% move in the Russell up or down. So there could be some fluctuations. In the mini Russell options, there was some sizable trading volume in the minis into Thursday's close. One trade there, the January 195 puts. Those puts expire the final week of January. A trader was a seller of those puts, the out of the money puts by about 23 points. That could be considered a bullish play. The minis on Thursday were trading around 218. And I caught some bullish comments about the Russell coming from Bank of America, reported by the street, and analysts believe small caps with that low valuation right now could be high single-digit percentage gainers during the next decade compared to the big caps. That's a wrap for now. The market is closed on Monday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I'll be back next Friday. Have a good weekend.